Hello, Namaskar, and welcome back in video number 2. In the previous video, we learned that all the pigeons, after listening the advice of the Proudy pigeon, ultimately they decided to sit down on the ground to eat the rice grains. And as soon as they sat down on the net, they trapped by the net. Now let's proceed ahead. What happened then next? Right now we are at page number 25 and the paragraph which is just near the picture. Just I am doing the underline of the paragraph. Here it is said that अथ जालबद्धा ते यस्य वचनेन तत्र समपतं तस्य कपोतस्य तिरस्कारं कुर्वन्ति स्म. अथ जालबद्धा ये, अथ जालबद्धाः ते. अथ means now, जालबद्धा being trapped by the net, and te means they. Here they means all the pigeons. Now the last words of the line, kapotasya tiraskaram kurvanti sma. Tiraskaram, criticized. Kapotasya, the pigeon. They criticized the pigeon by yasya vachanen tatra samapata, by listening whose advice they got there. So the translation of this line is, now being trapped by the net, they criticized the pigeon by whose advice they got there. तस्य तिरस्कारं श्रुत्वा चित्रग्रीवः अवदत्. Now in such a condition, it is the responsibility of a head to take the control on the group or to advise on the proper time. And one thing it is quite also sure, once whether you advise someone else, and if it is quite good in the life of that person, definitely he will or she will become very happy. But suppose it may be something wrong, after listening your advice, then that person will blame you. Okay, because of your advice, right now he is in such adverse condition. It doesn't mean that we should stop giving the advice. It is the human nature. Right now, as the king of the group, Chitragriv, having patience on his mind, he decided to give the timely advice, and therefore he said that tasya tiraskaram srutva Chitragrivah avadat. Having listening their criticism, Chitragriv said, विपत् काले विस्मय एव कापुरुष लक्षणम. He said that to have a doubt, vismaya, to have a doubt, vipat kale, in the time of calamity, or we call it in the time of difficulty. Ka purus lakshanam. Ka means coward, purus means person, and lakshanam, sign, the sign of a coward person. To have a doubt in the times of difficulty is the sign of a coward person. Definitely, it is not a time to have a doubt. And if you do so, you are not a courageous person. Coward, COWARD, डरपोक व्यक्ति का ये लक्षण है। ऐसी स्थिति के अंदर डाउट का कोई स्थान नहीं होना चाहिए, तब तो हिम्मत की ज़रूरत है। तो दिस इज़ अ वेरी वंडरफुल सेंटेंस, जस्ट लाइक अ proverb we should implement in our day to day life. Whenever we are in a problem, so definitely there should be no doubt in our mind, but at that time we should be brave. Further, the Chitraketu said that tad atra dhairyam avalambya idanim eva kriyatam. Tad atra, tad now, dhairyam avalambya, holding on to courage. It is a time to hold the courage. Dhairyam, we can here say also the patience. At the time of a difficulty, we should have a patience. And once whether we have a patience, so definitely we can utilize our mind in a proper direction. We having a perfect control on our mind. But when there are a confusion in the mind, you are unable to utilize your mind in a proper direction. So patience, it is a very very essentials. And therefore Chitraketu said that now holding on to courage, idanim eva kriyatam, eva kriyatam, let us this do. Right now you follow the advice what I am going to say you. Now, being a king, what does Chitraketu say? Sarvaihi ekachittam bhuyam jalam adaya udiyatam. He said that sarvaihi ekachittam bhuyam, becoming of one mind. All, sarvaihi, all, ek chitta bhuyam, becoming of one mind. Jalam adaya, taking this net, udiyatam, fly away. All, becoming of one mind, fly away with taking this net, we call it. Yatah, he said that. He said that yatah, because अल्पनाम अपि वस्तुनाम संहति कार्य साधिका. Title is there, संहति कार्य साधिका. Unity accomplishes the task. But before the title, Chitraketu utilized the words alpanam api vastunam. Vastunam, alpanam, vastunam, small things. Unity of small things accomplishes the task. Alpanam api, sandhi is there, alpanam plus api. The unity of even small things accomplishes the task. Definitely the ants, really very tiny insect, but plenty of ants, when they get together, at that time they can carry on a mighty snakes, the dead mighty snakes we call it. ગુજરાતીમાં બહુ સરસ મજાની કહેવત છે જે જાજી કીડી સાપને તાણે. નાની એવી કીડી છે પરંતુ મોટા એવા સાપને એ તાણી જાય છે. And the reason behind that is the unity of the ants. And therefore it is said that The unity of even small things accomplishes the task. And this is the moral of the chapter. Whenever guys we work in a unity, at that time maybe our personal opinion may be different, but once whether you want to reach toward the target, so at that time you have to become one-minded. Below the next line he said that तृणैहि गुणत्वम आपन्नैहि तृणैहि. Sandhi is there. गुणत्वम आपन्नैहि तृणैहि बन्धन्ते मतदन्तिनः. मतदन्तिनः. Dantinah means gajah, elephant. But here what type of elephant? Mata, the intoxicated. जो पागल हाथी हो जाता है ना, या फिर बलवान हाथी जिसको हम बोलते हैं, the powerful elephant, the intoxicated elephant. बंध्यन्ते can be tied with what? गुणत्वन आपन्नैहि तृणैहि. The intoxicated elephants can be tied with the rope. એને દોરડાથી બાંધી શકીએ છીએ. और ये जो दौड़ा है, जो डोरी है, वो किससे बनी हुई है? Which one is made out of blades of grass? At initial stage, the powerful rope, it is nothing but a grass, and the plenty of grass, when we tied it properly, it's become a powerful rope. And now this rope, using this rope, we can tie a powerful elephant. In the circus you might have seen that elephant which is tied by simply a very weak chain, we call it, because ultimately the elephant become habitual and he doesn't try to break it. So here it is the importance of a unity, we call it. Next we proceed ahead below the slope. इति विचिन्त्य सर्वैः कपोताः जालाम आदाय उत्पतिताः. इति विचिन्त्य, thinking so, सर्वै कपोता, all the pigeons fly away having the net. जालाम आदाय उत्पतिताः, flew away having the net, we call it. Thinking so, all the pigeons flew away having the net. ततः सव्यादः तान् जाला अपहारान् कारान् अवलोक्य पश्चात् धावति. ततः सव्यादः, पश्चात् धावति. ततः means then. सव्यादः, the hunter. पश्चात् धावति. The sentence it is like this one. ततः सव्यादः पश्चात् धावति. Then the hunter ran after them. Dhavati. Here the verb is to run. Paschat means after. Although the verb it is given in the present tense, but this is related to a story, and as a result of this one we are using the past tense, not runs but ran after them. After whom? जाल, जालापहारकान् अवलोक्य. तान् जालापहारकान् अवलोक्य. Seeing them, अवलोक्य, seeing them. तान् अवलोक्य, तान्, seeing them. Carry away the net. जाल अपहारकान्, carry away the net. As a result of this one, now the perfect translation is Then the hunter ran after them, seeing them carry away the net. परंतु तान् सुदूरं गत्वा न दृष्ट्वा व्याधः प्रतिनिवृतः. परंतु but तान् सुदूरं गत्वा दृष्ट्वा तान् सुदूरं seeing them gone far away, सुदूरं गत्वा gone far away, व्याधः प्रतिनिवृतः went back. Who? व्याधः, that means hunter. But seeing them gone far away, the hunter went back. लुब्धकं निवृत्तं दृष्ट्वा चित्रग्रीवः अवदत्. Hello guys, now we are getting one more synonyms of the words vyadha. Here vyadha means the hunter and lubdakah means vyadha, it means hunter. So make underline below the synonyms lubdakah, vyadha. Lubdakam nivrutam drashtva, the hunter. Gone back, having seen the hunter gone back. Two action happen one after the other. Perfect participle. So we can say that having gone back, the hunter, having seen the hunter gone back, we call it. Having seen the hunter gone back, Chitragriva avadat. Chitragriva said. What did he say? Hiranyakasya namakasya mama mitrasya musakarajasya samipe vayam gachyamaha. We will go to my friend, the king of mice, named Hiranyak. Right now we are going towards my friend, the king of mice, named Hiranyak. अब इस जाल को लेकर हम सब मेरे मित्र बंदरों का जो राजा है जिसका नाम है हिरण्यक, उसके पास जाते हैं. We will go to my friends, the king of mice, named Hiranyak. सह अस्मान बंधनात् मुक्तान करिष्यति. सह, he means who? The king of mice. Asman bandhanat will free us from the bondage. बंधनात् bondage. वह हमको बंधन में से मुक्त करेगा. He will free us from the bondage. Karishyati, future tense it is used. So I am using the words helping verb will. Tatah te musak rajasya samipam samagachan. After tatah, then te musak rajasya samipam samagachan. Then they went to the king of the mice. चित्रग्रीवस्य मित्रेण मुस्कराजेन स्वकीयैः तीक्ष्णैः दन्तैः सर्वेषां बन्धनानि छिन्नानि. We start the translation from the back side. So here we can say that Sarvesam bandhanani chinnani. The ties of all were cut. Sarvesam bandhanani. Bandhanani means tie. बंधन है, सबके पैरों में बंधन है. किसका बंधन है? नेट. सर्वेषां बन्धनानि छिन्नानि. The ties of all were cut. छिन्नानि means to cut. Cut by चित्रग्रीवस्य मित्रेण, by चित्रग्रीव's friend. मूषकराजैः स्वकीयैः तीक्ष्णैः दन्तैः. The king of mice with his sharp teeth. तीक्ष्णैः दन्तैः, sharp teeth. So the complete translation of the second last line is, the ties of all were cut by Chitragriva's friend, the king of mice, with his sharp teeth. चित्रग्रीवो अपि हिरण्यकस्य आभारं मत्वा सपरिवारः यथेष्ट देशान् समगच्छन्. And ultimately in the end, what did the Chitragriva do? Here it is said, after having thanked Abharam Matva, two action happen, one after the other, therefore perfect participle. After having thanked Abharam Matva, action number 1, having thanked. After having thanked to Hiranyak. Hiranyak is the friend of Chitragriva as well as the king of mice. So after having thanked to Hiranyak, Chitragrivo api yatheshta deshan samagachan. Chitragriva also went to the desired place. Yatheshtam deshan, desired place. Samagachan, went. Chitragriva also went to the desired place. I repeat the translation again. After having thanked to Hiranyak, Chitragriva also went to the desired place. Let me proceed towards the exercise. Plenty of words meanings are given. I hope you will read the words meaning. Choose the correct option. Which one is the correct one? So here number 1 is, प्रभात काले वायसः कम अपश्यत्. Early in the morning, the crow saw whom? Whom did the crow see early in the morning? So here option number 2, it is the correct answer. Vyadham, not Vyadah, Vyadham, शिकारी को. Number 2, गगने कः सपरिवारः व्यसर्पत्. Which option is correct? Number 3, चित्रग्रीवः. गगने सपरिवारः व्यसर्पत्. Number 3, विपत्काले किं करणीयम्. तो डेफिनेटली धैर्यम् अवलंबनम, धैर्यस्य अवलंबनम. Whenever you are suffering from the calamity, we call it difficulty, at that time you should have a patience, you should have a courage. Two meanings of dhairyam is there, courage or patience. Number 4, तृणैः गुणत्वैः आपन्नैः के बंधन्ते. तो here number 1, मददंतिनः, intoxicated elephants. Number 5, मूषिकराजेन कपोतानां बन्धनानि केन छिन्नानि. How did the king of the mice cut the ties of the pigeons? So here the answer is dantaihi, by teeth we call it. Number 6 and 7, सह तीक्ष्णैः दन्तैः जालम् आंसर इज छेतुं प्रायतत्. नंबर 7 वयम पदस्य एकवचनं किम. सर्वनामोच. I have already given you the particular table. अहम, आवाम, वयम, त्वम, युवाम, यूयम, सह तौते for masculine gender, for feminine gender सा ते ताहा, and for neuter gender tat te tani. So this pronoun you have to do by heart. Aham, avam, vayam, tvam, yuvam, यूयम, सह तौते, सा ते ताहा, तत् ते तानि. तो here वदम पदस्य एक वचनम किम. तो अहम इज द करेक्ट आंसर. रेखांकित पदस्य समास नाम लिखत. Whenever you do the translation in English of the given words, and between two words whether you utilize the preposition of, so you have to think that the given samas is tatpurus. So here the word is tandul kanana. So we can say that the grain of rice. Two words are there, tandul, kanan. Tandul means rice, kanan means grain, and between them we are using the word of. And whenever we use the word of, so it is sashti tatpurus. Is it clear? Sashti tatpurus. And now the last one, sma prayogam kurutah. We have already explained this topic, and one more video I am going to send you in near future, how we should use sma in the sentence and how should we remove the sma from the sentence. So here sma prayogam kuruta, and the sentence is vihagaha tatra nyavasan, and the correct answer is number 2, nivasanti sma. And that's the end in today's video. Remaining exercise we see in video number 4. Thank you very much for watching this video.